Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, we will learn how to recover saved password and username in Google Chrome. Start by opening the Google and click on the three dots. And scroll down and go to Settings. Navigate to the left menus and click on Autofill and Password. Click on Google Password Manager. And these are the list of all your saved username and password. For example, it's auto-saved for DeepSeek. Just click on it, and this will be your username. This will be the site, and this will be the password. Click on the eye icon to view the password, or click on this to copy the password. You can also edit or delete the password. You can also save it, and that's it. We have successfully recovered our username and password from the Google Chrome. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check the next DelftStack tutorial videos.